Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing INSTABUN wig. This is a new thing that has been popping up on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. So the girl that I watched on YouTube says she the one that came up with it. I'm not sure, but I will try to put her name on the screen, but I did watch her video. But where I actually got the idea from, if it was from someone on TikTok when I was watching TikTok videos, and then I went on YouTube and I went on Instagram and so on. But I would try to put the two ladies' name that I watch on YouTube on here. Okay, so basically what you would need is a wig cap and hair, and like the way I have my scarf right now, this is how the Insta wig is gonna look like. So here is where the headband will be, and then after the band is where you're actually going to glue or sew your hair. Okay, so it's basically gonna look like my hair right now after it's all finished. So today I'm just gonna show you it's three products, because you're gonna need your hair, your wig cap, and a glue gun. I'm not sure if you can use glue yet, but I will try to see after this video and see if that actually works with glue or not. But for today, we are going to try a glue gun and see if that works. So I have my wig cap here. This is a wig cap that I got from the store. This was $2.99. Okay, so let me show you exactly what you will need for all of these all the items you will need for this tutorial. Okay guys, so this is the mannequin head and this is the cap that I'm using. Like I showed you, this is the cap. It's just a regular dome style wig cap. Okay, this costs $2.99 in my local beauty supply store. And also you're going to be needing glue sticks. These are from the Dollar Tree. You can get 20 of these for $1. Okay, and then I'm going to be using this Afri pre-stretch Coily Ends Senegal Twist, and this is in a 18-inch right here. I'm not sure how many strands are in here, but I will try to put it on the screen once I find out how many. Okay, and then you're gonna need your glue gun. Okay, so right now what we're gonna do, according to the video, what we're gonna do is try to glue the hair onto the dome cap. So this is how the hair looks. It comes. Okay, so hopefully I have 2 packs of this so we can do this. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, because according to so let's do that. So what we're gonna do is glue. You're gonna take your glue gun and then put some glue on your glue gun and then glue it upwards like that. Okay, just like that. I'm learning, guys. This is my first time, so if I don't get it right, I'm willing to try again. So it's not a big deal if you don't get it the first time. So yeah, so try to make sure you put them as close as you can together, so I don't know if gluing it all the way up is necessary, I'm not too sure, but as I go on, I'm gonna see if I need to do that or not. Okay, so let me add some glue stick on here. That looks great already, don't it? So far, you don't have to crochet anything, but all you have to do is just, oops. So this is what I'm gonna be doing, guys. So I'm gonna go all around and glue it on. I won't be trying this wig on. As you guys see, I have another hair on my head, but I just want to make this tutorial because I have this hair. I need to come down a little bit here. See, I need to come down a little bit so that everything will be on a, yeah, okay. So like I said, this is a trial and error if you don't get it the first time. So yeah, so this is my practice hair. I'm pretty sure once I take my time, I'll be good at it. So yeah, so just make sure it's on the line, the first line basically. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Some people put it like, you know, what's the name, but I'm gonna put it on the hair itself and then press it on. So I'm gonna take a tie. Oops, this one came off. Yeah, make sure you hold it, okay? So guys, this is how it's looking. If I'm doing a second row of this, I will let you guys know as well, but for right now I'm gonna go all the way around and make sure they are all you know, and tag us to this first line and go all the way around. If I have to go a second round, I will also show you guys this. So but I'm just gonna sit down and take my time and do this. Okay, so I wanted to try something to see if I put the glue onto here. No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so I will come back and show you guys the product. Okay.